Hi everyone, in this playlist I will discuss about DSP digital signal processor subject. And before going to digital signal processor, the basics you have to know is what is a continuous signal, discrete signal and digital signal. Continuous signal is something that you know is like this, which is a basic sinusoidal signal having on x-axis time period. This is known as the time period, and having on y-axis amplitude. In this, the amplitude is continuous and the time period is also continuous, but whereas a discrete signal has amplitude as continuous and the time period is discrete, which is shown like this n, and here the time period or the time index is n. In continuous domain we represent the time with t, and in discrete domain we represent the time period with n. And digital signal is something which has both amplitude and time period as discrete. Okay, now let us move to the next topic, that is the basic elements of discrete time signals. Okay, now I am going to discuss the basic elements of DSP. Consider x of t as an analog input signal which is given to the DSP processor, and output signal y of t which is also analog output signal. For processing of this input signal to y of t output signal, we have a certain blocks in between the transmission section and the receiver section. These are anti-aliasing filter, which acts as a low pass filter, and then it is given to a sample and hold, and then analog to digital converter. This analog to digital converter converts the x of t input signal to n-bit binary, that is in digital format, and this digital format is processed by the digital signal processor and then given to DAC, which is digital to analog converter, converts this digital data to analog data, and then as it contains a lot of high frequency noise, given to reconstruction filter which acts as high pass filter, and then it is given out to the user as y of t analog output signal, which is the exact signal as it of x of t, which has undergone some processing by the digital signal processor.